Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. A launch Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus phone. This phone available worldwide market, but official price 55,000 and two unofficial phone available in the market. India and China. China version and India version price similar 40 to 45,000 in the market any mobile shop, but official phone only show Google Play Store, not any apps, which apps installed by only for Google Play Store, not Get apps. Get apps show China version. If you China version non-official phone, check and get apps. Get apps, any apps installed by get apps, then China version apps, not English version, only for China version. English apps download by Play Store, but unofficial China apps, China phone, you buy the phone China, then get app show, not Play Store. The shopkeeper install Play Store apps, who is English version installed apps Play Store. Now click Facebook apps. Click Play Store and search Facebook. Already Facebook apps show, and already Facebook apps show and install it. Open. Same, click get apps and types Facebook. Click the Facebook and search. Already show Facebook China version installed by Google Play Store and not Get apps. Get apps X browser this China version, all browsing China version, not English version. You unofficial phone by the shop China, then show get apps, but no get apps any apps English version. The Play Store apps install, then any apps installed by Play Store. This video watching, hopefully get apps and Play Store related question solved. Thank you watching my video. Please do not forget subscribe.